What are the different types of thermometers? A thermometer is an instrument used to measure the temperature. It can measure the temperature of a body or even of air or atmosphere. It helps in regulating chemical reactions by controlling temperatures of the solutions. It is also used to measure the melting points of different solids and boiling points of liquids. There are several types of thermometers. The main types are liquid and glass thermometers. 2. Bimetallic strip thermometers. 3. Electrical thermometers. IV. Gas thermometers. The description of each type of thermometers is given below. Liquid and glass thermometers. The most common liquid and glass thermometers make use of mercury or alcohol as thermometric liquid. These thermometers work on the principle that liquids expand on heating. A thermometer of this type is made up of a glass tube with a narrow bore through it. At the bottom of the glass tube a small bulb is blown which works as the reservoir of the liquid. The glass tube is filled with mercury or alcohol. It is then put in a hot bath. Some amount of the liquid gets expelled from the tube. The thermometer's range is decided by the temperature of the bath. Finally, its upper end is sealed. The sealed glass tube is now put in ice to mark the lower fixed point. Then it is put in another hot bath to mark the upper fixed point, which indicates the maximum temperature for which the thermometer has been constructed. The distance between the lower fixed point and upper fixed point is divided into equal parts. When we wish to measure the temperature, the thermometer is put in contact with that body. When it comes into the contact, the liquid expands and stops when the temperature of the bulb becomes equal to the temperature of the body whose temperature is being measured. The temperature is then read from the upper point of the liquid. Mercury as a thermometric liquid has certain advantages. It is a good conductor of heat. It does not stick to the walls of the glass. It is bright and easily visible. Its freezing point and boiling point have sufficient range of temperature and hence can be used to make thermometers of wide range. Freezing point 390 C and B6ing.3570 C. On the other hand, although alcohol doesn't have so many advantages, it can also be used as a thermometric liquid. For a given temperature, it expands more than mercury. While using it in thermometers, it is usually dyed red or blue. The ordinary thermometers used in chemical laboratories are usually mercury thermometers. Clinical thermometers also contain mercury. Meteorologists use maximum and minimum thermometers to record the highest and lowest temperatures of the day.